Hello, and welcome back. I'm Matt Sell for the Enerpac Academy. Enerpac offers an extensive line of single and double-acting cylinders to provide force to many unique applications. For any hydraulic cylinder to perform correctly, all air must be removed from the unit after installation of the hose or hoses. In this video, we will walk you through how to bleed the air quickly and safely from your hydraulic cylinder. Attach your hose to your single-acting cylinder. If your hose is empty of oil, it will take longer to bleed. If the cylinder is a double-acting model, always make sure hoses are attached to both couplers and you are using a double-acting compatible pump. Once the hose or hoses have been attached to the cylinder, if possible, place the cylinder below the level of the pump. With the port or ports facing up, this will force the air to the pump and aid in its removal during the process. Make sure your pump reservoir is vented if required. Advance and retract the cylinder with little to no pressure to verify correct operation. If the cylinder is operating correctly, then cycle the cylinder multiple times while watching for smooth operation. If the cylinder retracts with a jerky, spongy, or pulsating manner, air is still present. Continue to cycle until operation is smooth and consistent. For more information, contact your regional Enerpac representative or please go to www.enerpac.com for further information and support. I'm Matt Sell from the Enerpac Academy. Thanks for watching.